Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the gift box from the company XINTIANYA. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it, but I will put a link to it in the video. What this company does is they make various gift boxes, and I needed a nice gift box, and that's what I've got here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to attempt to open it, set it up, and give you a look at the quality of it. So they pretty much make gift boxes for anything you could be needing, whether it's jewelry, whether it's a certain size. Let's take a look at this. Quality is supposed to be pretty good. Very sturdy. Give me a second. Let's see how we're going to set this up. Wow, it is nice and thick, which is what I was hoping for. There we go. Look at that, perfect. I've got some graduation gifts I needed to give, and I didn't want to just throw them in a regular cheap little box, so went with this company. Couple ties to tie over the box, and then again, nice and sturdy with a magnetic clip on the inside. Again, this company makes boxes in various sizes for various different functions, but as you can see, they are easy to put together. Quality is extremely good. Doesn't open up. Easy to fold, unfold. That is my 2-pack. I hope the video helps.